Okay, and it is time for our last set of calculations. I know it's been a lot of math and a lot of numbers that we've been tossing around, but you guys are doing great. So it's not just driving and the cost of fuel that you have to take into account. There are lots of other expenses that come with owning a car. I've added a few of these, but of course, this doesn't include maintenance and everything else that's associated with a car. So let's go ahead and give this a shot. Let's try oil changes. So I'll give you an example on how it works, and it works about the same for the rest. So I'll show you the first one, and you can either figure out the rest or ask a teacher for help. So let's go ahead and give it a shot. So oil changes. How much am I going to spend on oil changes? So they recommend that you change your oil every 3,000 miles. Let's say the average price of an oil change is $45. If you buy the really high end stuff, it's going to be much more than that, especially if you have it done for you. So this is going to be a little bit of a three-part formula. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to go equals sum. It's been kind of a formula that we've been using throughout. So my annual mileage, I got to scroll all the way up and find that. So here we go. So over the course of a year, I will commute 9,400 miles. So D21. All right. And I'm going to divide that by 3,000 miles. And when I close that, I get 3.1 oil changes. And that's just for driving. So I should be changing my oil much more than that because it's not just work that I drive to. But for work, I need at least 3 oil changes. So let's see how much that costs. We've got these closed parentheses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go Shift 8. I'm going to multiply that by 45 dollars. So you've got that, that mathematical formula. If the parentheses come first, PEMDAS, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. And that comes out to a cost of $142. Realistically, for me, I'd know I don't spend $45. I spend closer to 70 on full synthetics. I want to take care of my car. So I know that I spend at least over $200 a year on oil changes just so I can get to and from work. So it's kind of that same process for the next couple formulas. So go ahead and go through that and start crunching all those numbers. You can do it. I believe in you.